So today our conversation an afternoon in the kitchen. What is the situation? Mrs. Anderson is baking cakes when her daughter Debbie gets home first from school. Mom, I'm home. How was school? How did you do on the test? School was okay, and I did great on the test, Mom. I was so worried about the test, but now I feel great. What a relief. I'm glad to hear that. You have been studying so hard the past few weeks. Now you can relax and enjoy life. What are you cooking? It smells so good. I am baking cakes. This is your favorite carrot cake. It looks really yummy. And I see muffins over there too. You are busy, weren't you? Yes, Jeff has to take something to school tomorrow. So those muffins are for him. Don't touch them. Can I have a piece of carrot cake? I want to enjoy life right now. We don't want to wait until after dinner. It looks inviting and I bet it is delicious. No, I don't want to wait. Can I, Mom? Okay, go ahead. Did you see the new recipe that was posted on Today Cooking's website? I believe it was called Scrumptious Pie. No, I didn't not. But I want to try that recipe. Your dad loves pie. So do I. So does Jeff. Our whole family is crazy about pie. When do you want to try the new recipe? I want to learn too. Should we bake a cherry pie or an apple pie? Since this is the cherry season, let's make a cherry pie. Tomorrow I will get some cherries at the supermarket and we can start baking in the afternoon when you get home from school. I need to finish a science project and I will not get home until 3:30. Will it be too late to start baking, Mom? If it is, you can start without me. 3:30 p.m. is fine. I will prepare dinner early and then I will have some everything ready for a baking session before you get home. Make sure that we still have enough sugar and eggs, Mom. It seems like you are using a lot of sugar and eggs baking the cakes and muffins today. Don't worry, we still have plenty of sugar and lot of eggs, enough to make at least 10 pies. Oh, 10 sounds like a good number, but let's not overdo it. Let's make 9.5 pies instead. Okay, we will make 9.5 pies tomorrow. No more, no less. It is a deal. Enough about baking pies. I need to start working on today's dinner. It is 3 o'clock already. Your dad and Jeff will be home soon. I am sure they will be very hungry and will want dinner right away. What do we have for dinner tonight? I'll make roast beef and cream of mushroom soup. It has been a long time since you made cream of mushroom soup. Do you need any help, Mom? No. Go do your homework and leave the cooking to me. Thanks, Mom. Call me whenever dinner is ready. I do not want to be late for roast beef, cream of mushroom soup, carrot cake, and muffins. The muffins are for Jeff. Do not touch them. I know, mom. Just kidding. సో ఇది కాన్వర్జేషన్. ఇది ఒకసారి నోట్స్లో రాసుకొని పర్ఫెక్ట్గా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఇందులో ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. కాన్వర్జేషన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ స్టెప్ 1, స్టెప్ 2, స్టెప్ 3. క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్. Questions answers practice చూడండి. Pair the students and have them practice the following questions and answers. Ask them to come up with similar questions and answers. So comprehension test and discussion, grammar review. Go through grammar review. So nouns, common nouns can be classified as either count or non-count nouns. Count nouns refer to people, animals, things or places that can be counted. సో గ్రామర్కి మనకు వేరే వీడియోస్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఈ కాన్వర్జేషన్లో ఏదైతే గ్రామర్ థింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయో అవి మాత్రమే మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాము. An afternoon, a science project. So a and an are indefinite articles and do not point to any person, animal, thing or place in particular. A and an always precede a singular noun. Use indefinite article a before words which start with a consonant, a sounded H, a horse, a long U, a utensil. Use an before words which starts with vowel. AEIOU vowels తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే వర్డ్స్ కి మనం an ఉపయోగించాలి. THE is a definite article and used to indicate a specific person, animal, thing or place. అలాగే go through the note. Non-count nouns water, air, sugar. Which cannot be counted. అలాగే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చూడండి. Pay the students and have them practice the following questions and answers. Ask them to come with similar questions and answers.